Which AI really knows more? ChatGPT versus Google Gemini explained. What knowledge means in 2025, and why it's not just a bigger brain. When people ask which AI knows more, they're usually collapsing several things into one. Retrieval: can it find up-to-date facts? Context: how much can it take in at once? Documents, images, audio. Reasoning: does it synthesize, compare, calculate, plan? Memory and personalization: does it remember your preferences/work? These aren't academic details, they determine whether your assistant nails a messy work request or produces confident nonsense. Knowledge: head-to-head ChatGPT's knowledge strengths. Multimodal reasoning is now table stakes for ChatGPT with GPT-4o. It can work across text, images, and audio in real time, designed specifically to improve vision and voice understanding while maintaining GPT-4 class text ability. That matters for what's in this chart/photo. Tasks and voice-first workflows. Web access: ChatGPT can choose to search the web for timely answers and return citations, useful for news, sports, stocks, and live facts. It's built into ChatGPT as a first-class action, not just an add-on. Data analysis mode: upload files, run Python, build charts, and iterate. For many creators and analysts, this is a quiet superpower because it blends reasoning with executable code. Memory: ChatGPT supports saved memories and chat history-aware responses, with user controls to disable. For ongoing projects, that means less context dumping and more continuity. Gemini's knowledge strengths. Massive context windows: Google's Gemini 1.5 out of 2.5 line pushed context into the million token class, with 2M tokens available for 1.5 Pro. In practical terms, that's book length input, entire repositories, multi-hour audio, long PDFs, processed in one pass. If your workflow involves "here are all the materials, tell me what matters," this is a real edge. Native long document and media understanding inside Workspace and Drive. Gemini can auto-summarize PDFs as soon as you open them in Drive and turn those summaries into suggested actions, for example, draft a proposal. That's not just comprehension, it's actionable workflow. Bottom line on knowledge. If your day is lots of live web facts plus hands-on analysis, upload CSVs, code small models, produce charts, ChatGPT feels like a power tool. If your day is deep dives into giant corpuses, research binders, long meetings, massive PDFs, hours of audio, and you want summaries in place without juggling files, Gemini's context and native file comprehension give it the edge. Integration, where each AI actually lives in your work. Gemini's integration story: Google ecosystem first, deep workspace embedding. Gemini sits in the side panel of Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, and more. In 2025, Google expanded this with Gems, custom mini assistants, available directly in those side panels. You can call a writing gem in Docs, a sales gem in Gmail, etc., without leaving your document. Drive native intelligence: PDF summary cards appear automatically in Drive. You can ask questions about files, docs, /sheets, /slides, /PDFs, and see summaries on Drive Home. That reduces context switching and search friction. Workspace rollout: many AI features were folded into business/enterprise editions of Google Workspace in 2025, rather than a separate Gemini add-on. That simplifies procurement and speeds org-wide access. ChatGPT's integration story: bring your stack flexibility. Custom GPTs and GPT Store: you can build specialized versions of ChatGPT, internal or public, that bundle instructions, knowledge, and tools. This is a no-code way to deploy job-specific assistance for a team or an audience. Team/business/enterprise controls. Admin features, SSO, roles, compliance, shared workspaces, and no training on your business data by default make ChatGPT easier to adopt in regulated environments. Company knowledge, 2025, secure connections to internal tools, for example, Drive, GitHub, Slack/SharePoint, etc. So ChatGPT answers with your content when you enable it, crucially, with data use controls and encryption. Think of it as RAG for your whole org, with a toggle. Bottom line on integration. If your company already runs on Google Workspace, Gemini's in the side panel presence is unbeatable for speed and adoption. If your stack is mixed, multiple clouds, various SaaS apps, or you want to ship custom assistants quickly across teams and clients, ChatGPT's GPTs and business/enterprise governance make it the more flexible platform. Pricing and access quick scan. Gemini for individuals, Google's Air plans, for example, Air Pro/Advanced, bundle access to cutting-edge models Gemini 2.5 Pro and more, and extra tools like VO video generation. Expect perks like higher limits and larger context windows. Plan names and tiers vary by region. Workspace with Gemini, many AI features are now included across business and enterprise editions rather than a separate add-on, simplifying rollout. ChatGPT plans range from Plus to Business/Enterprise, with work features like data analysis, shared projects, SSO/MFA, and privacy commitments, no training on your business data by default. Practical scenarios for your video: the messy inbox plus doc chaos test. Gemini shines if you open a PDF in Drive and instantly get a summary plus suggested actions, or skim long Gmail threads via AI summaries on mobile. It's the intelligence where you already work effect. The research pack test, hundreds of pages, mixed media. Gemini handles huge context windows, throw the entire pack, or hours of audio, in and ask for comparisons, timelines, and citations. The analysis deliverable test, CSV charts memo. ChatGPT with data analysis capability is excellent at ingesting spreadsheets, generating analyses and visuals, and iterating interactively, all without leaving the chat. The org-wide assistant test. ChatGPT lets you roll out GPTs tailored to roles, sales ops, finance, support, and connect them to company knowledge, while keeping security/compliance controls central. Verdict: which should you pick? Pick Gemini if your team lives in Google Workspace and you need frictionless help inside Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Drive, especially for long PDFs, folder scale summarization, and quick what matters here. Answers. The 1-2M token context options and native Drive features make it a superb knowledge condenser. Pick ChatGPT if your work is multi-tool and analysis heavy, you want to build custom assistants fast, or you need tight governance plus web search. Data analysis, GPTs, and company knowledge make it a highly adaptable knowledge worker. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.